Step into the Whimsical Waves Nail Salon, where creativity knows no bounds. Meet Luna, a passionate nail artist, drawn to the salon's mystical allure. Guided by Bella, the master of unconventional nail art techniques, Luna's journey into the enchanting world of DIY nail art begins. As she immerses herself in a realm of vibrant colors and innovative tools, Luna's artistic spirit awakens, transforming her aspirations into breathtaking reality. Immersed in Bella's boundless creativity, Luna's artistic journey takes flight. With a heart full of inspiration, Luna delves into her DIY nail art adventure, exploring a world of endless possibilities. From vibrant hues to shimmering glitter and delicate seashells, Luna's canvas comes alive with intricate designs that embody her unique personality and exquisite style. Each stroke of her brush is a reflection of her inner artist, blossoming in the realm of creativity. With each brushstroke, Luna's skills sharpen, unveiling a newfound confidence that radiates from within. Bold and fearless, she unveils her dazzling nail art to the world, sharing her mesmerizing creations on social media platforms. The online community is captivated by Luna's artistry, showering her with praise and admiration that transcends borders. As her unique designs spread like wildfire, Luna's name echoes through the streets, becoming synonymous with creativity and innovation. In a world captivated by her talent, Luna stands tall, a testament to the power of self-belief and artistic expression. The stage is set for the grand finale, where Luna's artistic journey reaches its peak. Among fierce competitors, Luna steps forth, unveiling her unparalleled talent through extraordinary nail art creations that defy convention. The judges, in awe of her innovative designs, spellbound by Luna's artistry that shines like a beacon of creativity. With Bella's unwavering support echoing in her ears, Luna paints her way to victory, claiming the crown and proving to the world that dreams fueled by passion, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic can indeed become reality.